Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use your iPhone camera on Umingle. This method works really well, so just follow the steps carefully. First, open the App Store on your iPhone and search for Iriun Webcam. Then download and install the app. Before continuing, make sure your iPhone and PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Once the app is installed, open it and allow camera and network access when prompted. After that, you will see the main interface of the app. Now, on your PC, open your web browser and search for Iriun Webcam. Then visit the official website and download the PC client. After that, install it on your computer. The installation may take a few minutes, so just wait until it's finished. After the installation is complete, open the Iriun Webcam client on your PC. If both the iPhone app and PC client are running and both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, they should connect automatically. Once connected, position your iPhone camera the way you want. Then open the Umingle website and start a video chat. When Umingle asks for camera permissions, select Iriun Webcam as your camera and allow access. You should now see your iPhone camera working directly on Umingle. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.